Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video, we will introduce the Thai vowels. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. Each vowel in the Thai alphabet can be represented by one symbol or a combination of symbols. 4 of the Thai vowels do not conform to the general principles of vowels. We will refer to them as non-standard vowels and treat them separately towards the end of the video. The other vowels, which we will refer to as the standard vowels, are all written relative to the initial consonant in a syllable. In the alphabet, the vowels are written relative to the middle class consonant or ang, which we have looked at in a previous video on this playlist. You can think of or ang as a placeholder for the initial consonant in the syllable. Some vowels are represented by a single syllable that is written before the initial consonant, above the initial consonant, after the initial consonant, or below the initial consonant. Others are represented by a combination of symbols that may occur before the initial consonant, before and after the initial consonant, and above and after the initial consonant. There are also vowels that are represented by a combination of symbols that are before, above, and after the initial consonant. Irrespective of the position of the vowel, the initial consonant is pronounced first in a syllable. In the word meh, meaning mother, for example, the vowel eh is written before the initial consonant, but the initial consonant moma, which sounds like an M at the beginning of a syllable, is pronounced before the vowel eh. Meh. If the syllable begins with a vowel sound, the silent consonant or ang is the initial consonant. This is seen, for example, in the word eo, which means waist. The single syllable in the word eo begins with the vowel sound a, so the initial consonant is the silent consonant or ang. The final consonant is wo wen, which sounds like a W as an initial consonant, but sounds like an O as a final consonant. Eo. Some words in Thai are made up of only a vowel sound. For example, the word a, meaning father's younger brother or sister. When talking about vowels, it is usual to say the word sara, meaning vowel, before the vowel sound. This differentiates the vowel sound from words that only have the vowel sound. So by saying sara a, it is clear that we're talking about the vowel a and not the word a. Among the standard vowels, 5 may sound long or short. They are, however, considered long when determining the tone using tone rules. 12 of the standard vowels are short and each has a long counterpart with the same sound. The long vowels are spoken in the middle tone, while the short vowels are spoken in the low tone. So we say sara-a, but say sara-a. The reason for this will be clear when we discuss the tone rules for middle class consonants to which or ang belongs. Some Thai vowels have different symbols depending on the presence of a final consonant in the syllable. The single syllable word ka, for example, does not have a final consonant. Ka, which is a polite particle for women, therefore ends with the short vowel sara-a. The same vowel in another one-syllable word wan looks different because of the presence of a final consonant. Wan means day. I will refer to this variant of the vowel as the closed variant because it is enclosed by the initial and final consonants. I will refer to the variant without the final consonant as the open variant. Now to the 4 vowels that do not conform to the general principles of vowels. These vowels act as consonants in that they are not written relative to a consonant. Hence, they are able to begin a syllable on their own, as seen in the word resi, meaning helmet. They, however, do not have the or sound characteristic of consonants and do not have an accompanying word. They act as vowels by having 2 short sounds, each with a long counterpart. The long vowels are in the middle tone, while the short vowels are in the high tone. That is an introduction to Thai vowels. In it, we spoke about the standard vowels, which are always written relative to the initial consonant in a syllable. These vowels are represented by one or more symbols which occur at positions around the initial consonant. The silent consonant or ang is used as the standard initial consonant when writing vowels in the alphabet. It is also the initial consonant in syllables that begin with a vowel sound. The word sara, meaning vowel, is said before vowels and differentiates them from words that only have the vowel sound. 5 of the standard vowels can be long or short. 12 are long and have corresponding short vowels with the same sound. Some vowels have different symbols depending on the presence of a final consonant in the syllable. The 4 non-standard vowels are not written relative to any consonant. 2 of them are short, while the other 2 have a long corresponding sound. These concepts will become clearer in upcoming videos where we will look at the vowels individually. I hope you learned something from this video. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.